Levels 4, 5, and 6, Mastery Check. After I say each word, pause the video, write the word, and then restart the video, and we'll continue on through the words all the way through word number 20. Okay, number 1, shade. I like to sit in the shade. Number 2, spent. I spent too much money. Number 3 is a red word, says. The sign says to stop. Number 4, booth. We sat in a booth at the restaurant. Number 5, stump. I sat on the tree stump. Number 6, red word, where. Where should I put my book? Number 7, clerk. The clerk at the store helped me find what I needed. Number 8, tadpole. There was a tadpole swimming in the pond. Number 9, plank. The pirate had to walk the plank. Number 10, crisp. I ate a crisp apple. Number 11, perch. The bird flew down from its perch. Number 12, frown. Please don't frown when you make a mistake. Number 13, joint. The elbow is a joint. Number 14, concave. A crater on the moon is concave. Number 15, crow. There was a big black crow sitting on my roof. Number 16, haystack. There was a haystack in the barn. Number 17, charm. A four-leaf clover is a good luck charm. Number 18, swift. He ran the race in a very swift manner. Number 19, whale. There was a whale in the ocean. And number 20, sandstorm. There was a big sandstorm on the desert. Please check over your words to make sure that they are spelled correctly. If you need any words repeated, please go back in the video, find the number of the word you need repeated, listen to the video to make sure that you have it correct. When you are finished checking your work, please show your paper to your teacher.